fold I have for you today is called the Hollywood fold. Now this is really important, okay? The details of this are critical. Here's what we got. Number one, the Hollywood fold is not really possible with these little bitty tiny pocket squares, okay? You really need to invest some money into a really nice pocket square in order to make this happen. So these smaller ones, 8x8 and smaller, is no good, because what you really want to invest in are these big silks, these big beautiful ones that have the gorgeous borders on them. They're going to give you the exact look that we're aiming for today with the Hollywood fold. So this is about 14 by 14 inches in size with a beautiful border. So let's get started on the Hollywood fold, and we simply just start with putting these 2 points together on the back side, making a triangle. We let the back one go, we fold this in half, and we set it up at the top, offset by about 1 inch. Now we do the same thing with the other 2 points. So that's point number 3 and point number 4. Okay? Which hand you use is really important too. So now we got the 4 points. So we take this and we lean into the side just a little bit. Take this bottom, twist it like an old doorknob, and bring it up to the left of the tails. Look at how that's coming together. Now with our right hand, we hang on to this whole assembly, and then we bring in the most important thing in the equation, which is the best pocket square holder. Squeeze is deep down to the bottom. It's gonna hold whatever you put in it, super strong. So we tuck this bottom in here, like so. All the excess pocket square goes in there. And now once we have it in there, we can manipulate it the way we would like. So we take the tails and we tug them to the right, get them nice and organized here, okay? Now we take this poof and we blouse it out to the left. See how it's coming together? Now keep in mind, before we put this in the jacket pocket, it needs to rest along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket so it does not move. So here we go. We insert this in here. Make sure it rests along the inside bottom of the jacket pocket. Make a couple of last minute adjustments here. Boom, boom, and boom. And there you have it. Look at that look. We call that the Hollywood fold, only made possible by the best pocket square holder. And remember guys, we didn't leave you hanging. If you wear an ultra slim fit suit, a size 38 or lower, or you just got flat out narrow pockets, here's what we got for you. We've also invented the best pocket square holder slim edition.